Good morning. This morning homework is going to be doing a back extension. Okay, so we've all done these in class. I just want to show you a couple of variations. Choose a variation that you're comfortable with. So lie down on your front and just put your head on your hands. Okay, take a deep breath in. Really hold those abs in. So really pull those abs in from the mat, and that will protect your lower back. We're just going to start by lifting our heads off that mat. So your head will just come up and be an extension of your spine. So just looking a little bit further forward, feel you're stretching forwards and come back down again. So it's a deep breath in and breathe out as you come up off the mat. Look forwards and hold it there. So you shouldn't be feeling anything in your lower back at all. You should be feeling work in your upper back. Okay, if you want to extend that a little bit, deep breath in and breathe out as you come up. Hold it there. You don't have to come up too high, and just take your hands out off the mat to the side. Again, you need to feel your lower back, make sure your abs are working hard so there's no strain in that lower back, and then just take your hands back towards your legs and bring them out. So think about your head as well. Your head should be looking down at the mat and extending forwards. Okay, let's just do a couple more of these. So deep breath in, breathe out as you bring your arms back. Okay, and one more. And hold it there. Okay, and then just come down onto your nose with your arms back. So bring your hands in towards your thighs, so they're against your thighs. We're just going to lift up with our hands back. So deep breath in, breathe out, hold those abs in. So your shoulders are back, and your head is just an extension of your spine. Really feel you're pulling those abs in. Pull those shoulders back and down. Deep breath in, breathe out. So you shouldn't be feeling it in your lower back. You can be feeling it in your shoulders and your upper back. And come down. Deep breath in, breathe out. If you feel it in your lower back, then stop. And come up again. Look down at that mat. Make sure those shoulders are back. Hands against the thighs. And come down. And just do that a few times. Fantastic. So I'll see you next week.